Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your watch history on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, select Settings and Privacy, and if you scroll down you should come to Activity Center, so just tap on that. And then you should see in the middle watch history, so you just want to click on that and that'll just bring up all of your watch history. So all you need to do is press on the select option on the top right, and then you should see in the bottom left select all watch history, so you just want to tap on that and then you should be able to press delete on the bottom right, and that will delete all of your watch history on TikTok. Thanks for watching.